Use the mic. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Speaker, sir.
You are Mr. Erick Mugaa.
Yes, sir.
How do you pronounce the last name? Mugaa or Mugaa?
Mugaa.
Mugaa.
M-U-G-A-A.
Mugaa.
Yes.
Very good. Welcome to this Committee of Parliament. Have you ever appeared before a Committee of Parliament? No.
No.
This is your maiden appearance.
Yes.
Welcome to Parliament for this process of approval hearings. We are going to engage you for the next 1 hour or so to assess your suitability to take office that you have been nominated for appointment. This is a committee of appointments in Parliament in the National Assembly. I'm the Speaker of the National Assembly. I'm the chairman of the committee. On my right is the distinguished Deputy Speaker, Honorable Gladys Boss. The left is Mr. Ndombi. He is one of our deputy clerks. I will invite members of the committee to introduce themselves, starting with Honorable Naisula.
Naisula Lesuda, MP Samburu West.
Kimani Shongo.
Nelson Koech, MP Belgut.
And I'm David Kosing, MP Poko South.
Gikaria David, Nakuru Town East.
Mase Mary, Teso South.
George Gitonga Murugara, Tharaka.
Owen Baya, Kilifi North.
Robert Mbui, Kadhiani.
Stephen Mule, MP Matungulu.
Rehab Mukami, Nyeri County.
And I'm Caleb Amisi, Caleb Amisi, Saboti.
Thank you, Chairman. Mishimboko Likoni.
We will start. Erick, we'll invite you to introduce yourself. Tell us your name, your educational background, your work experience, your competences, and why you think you have the suitability to the appointment to which you have been proposed. After that, you give your papers to the clerk to verify. But before we do that, we will invite you to take an oath. We have the holy books, the Quran and the Bible. Which one do you swear with?
The Bible.
So be upstanding. Take the Bible in your right hand and recite the oath that the sergeant will hold for you.
I, Erick Mugaa, do swear that the evidence I shall give before this committee on the matter and its consideration shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So help me God.
Take your seat. You've given her your papers to bring to the clerk. He will cross-check with what we have to see if they correspond. So start by introducing yourself, your name, your educational background,